In this video session, we will review how to manage an employee's record in NXT Time. From the home page of NXT Time, click the employee icon. From this grid, you can edit an employee's record or add a new employee record. The employee record has three main tabs: biographical, employment profile, and security settings. On the biographical tab, you have sections to enter name, email, and select the time zone. The employee can also have an unlimited number of addresses and phone numbers, with the ability to indicate the primary or preferred contact method. The Employment Profile tab is broken into three areas: Employment Profile, Payroll Settings, and Employee Codes. The Employment Profile section is where you specify the employee's home department, their hire date, position, and associated payroll provider ID. If the employee is being terminated, you will enter that date in this section in the Termination Date field. The Payroll Settings allows you to define the payroll group this employee belongs to and their pay category. Employee Codes has 5 subsections. The code definitions determine which benefits, deductions, wages, taxes, and leave plans are associated to the employee, and the allocation method for each. Let's review each type of code associated to the employee. Pay Code. Select the pay code from the predefined list. Next, select the allocation code to be used. Then, select the GL account code from the list to be used in the allocation. Finally, enter the rate of the pay and the effective date of the code. Benefit Code. Select the benefit code from the predefined list. Select the allocation code to be used. Notice that you can set the allocation so that it follows the same allocation method as the selected pay code for wages. Select the GL account code from the list to be used in the allocation. Next, enter the rate of the benefit and the effective date of the code. Deduction Code. Select the deduction code from the predefined list. Next, select the allocation code to be used for this deduction. Then, select the GL account code from the list to be used in the allocation. Finally, enter the rate of the deduction and the effective date of the code. Tax Code. Select the tax code from the predefined list. Next, select the allocation code to be used. Then select the GL account code from the list to be used in the allocation. Finally, enter the effective date of the code. Notice for tax codes, there are no rates. Rates for taxes come directly from the payroll provider. Leave Plan Code. Select the leave plan code from the predefined list. Next, select the allocation code to be used. Then, select the GL account code from the list to be used in the allocation. Finally, enter the rate of the leave plan and the effective date of the code. The Security Settings tab provides the system security controls for the application. General Ledger Security provides restrictions to a predefined set of accounts, projects, or grants. Timesheet Approval Workflow assigns the employee to an approval workflow for timesheet approvals. Security Profile sets the application security for the employee. Leave Request Approval Workflow assigns the employee to an approval workflow for leave request approvals. This concludes the video review of managing the employee record in NXT Time. Thanks for watching.